gentlemen, reinforcements have arrived, and we're going to start installing the brand new window. We're going to start with that first, and then once that's in, everyone, which hopefully shouldn't take too long. Like I said, it's pretty much prepped and ready to go. Hopefully, if I did my measurements right, just slide the new window in, tape it up, caulk it up, nail it up, and we'll be done with that. Moving on to the French door on the other side of one. So, yeah, this should go hopefully fairly quickly. Well, in what seems to be a typical fashion here for working on these doors and windows, I forgot to press record here while putting this door in. I forgot to push record while taking the window on the other side out. I forgot to push record when we put that window in the video a couple months ago. Anyway, door's in one. Now we need to put the siding back on. So we're going to start working on that here. I'm probably actually going to start working on the window on the other side here first, because that should go on the quickest, I think. And then we'll come around to this, because we don't have a whole lot of light left yet, Evan. So yeah, we're going to see how much we get done here as quickly as possible. Plus, I'm going to need J channel around this one. And of course, at least according to the website, Evan, they do not have any this color J channel in stock here at the local hardware stores. So I don't know, but I'm hoping I can make what I have here work. We're going to have to put like pieces down the side or something. I don't know. It's maybe going to look a little stupid. We'll have to see once everyone. But if you can't get J channel, you can't get J channel. What are you supposed to do, right? on editing the video here for replacing this window and the door. There's the finished window oven. Not much to say about it. Went quite nicely, I would say. You know, I think after doing the first window oven, I think we definitely got the second one figured out here, and then we just got one more to do yet. Third window on that side. Okay, we'll go look at the finished door here in a minute too. I have one. By the way, when there's the finished window on this side, that is the first window we did, and here, everyone, is the finished door. No, I gotta say, I'm liking this door. Okay, don't mind the piece of drywall sitting up against the inside there. Speaking of the drywall, by the way, oh, I'm telling you folks, this door makes it nice for getting stuff inside. The wife found a dining table on Marketplace here the other day for real cheap. I'm real cheap, everyone. And it's like, oh crap, how are we gonna get this in the house? Oh, wait a minute. Aha, just back the truck right up to the door here, everyone. Open both doors and right in it goes like nothing. So yeah, definitely liking this door here so far, everyone. So anyway, that's gonna do it for the video, everyone. You folks have any comments or questions about this, be sure to leave them down below. And till next time.